Evening viewers.
Good evening.
Fine Arts Society is very happy to welcome you to its Good Times program, Designer Times, how to design your own jewelry under its community wing. Our guest this evening is the charming and affable Radhika Sridhar from Coimbatore. An amazingly versatile personality, Radhika wears several hats with absolute ease. She is a brilliant singer and musician, both in the classical and semi-classical genres. Radhika is an expert in creating beautiful rangoli patterns. Artistically gifted, she designs saris, blouses, does paintings on saris, reconstructing saris, vegetable block painting, and lots more. Alongside these talents, jewelry making caught her fancy a decade back, and she has an enviable collection of exquisite customized jewelry. Her page, A Bit Crafty, has a lovely and affordable collection of stunning and signature jewelries. She has conducted several workshops on designing jewelry as she loves to share her expertise with others. Creativity runs in her blood. Her unique handcrafted jewelry creations are much sought after by her friends and her wide clientele. In this session, Radhika will share simple steps on designing your own jewelry. At the end of this presentation, there will be a short question and answer session. Viewers are requested to ask their questions then. A sincere request to all the viewers to kindly mute the audio on your device. Welcome, Mrs. Radhika Sridhar. We are very happy to have you on this program. Over to you, Mrs. Radhika.
Thank you, Mrs. Mala. Hello, everyone. Good evening to all and one and all. I'm very happy to be here today to share my experiences and my passion for jewelry making. And the term jewelry, the word jewelry, is not just an object. It speaks your happiness, your emotions. It tells about your beliefs and your traditions too. In my own words, I would say, show me your jewelry. I will show you who you are. And more than that, jewelry making gives you immense pleasure, which is very special according to me. And I have been designing and doing my own creative jewelry for almost 10 years. And each jewelry is so close to my heart, which has a story behind it. And to mention here, my daughter, Smriti, she's the one who insisted me to try my hands on this art. And that is how I developed interest in creating my jewelries, one of its kind. I'm always drawn towards anything that is handmade because there is an originality and a piece of humanity. And learning jewelry making is very, very simple. All you need is a bit of interest and a passion for learning. I hope you all would learn something today and gain a bit of inspiration to start this. Thank you all. Let's start the session now. Jewelries. There are different kinds of jewelries. Beaded jewelry, silk thread jewelry, clay jewelries, fabric jewelries, paper quilling, and so on. So, to make a simple beaded jewelry, the materials you need, the accessories, and the tools required for making the simple beaded jewelry, I'll show you the tools and materials. Here I have a set of jewelry materials. I'll show you one by one. Some of these are used in jewelry. These are called jump rings. Can you view this? These are called jump rings, and these are called eye pins, which are used for making eardrops. And these are called end hoops, and chains used for end hoops. You can adjust these hoops according to the length of the jewelry. And some spaces, I have some spaces I'll show you. Different shades, you get these in different shades, different sizes. You can use these in between the beads you use for jewelries. And I'll show you. Is it visible? Can you view this?
Yes, we can.
Yeah. So these are all called caps. We can use this at the end of the jewelry or at the beginning of the pendant. You can use it wherever you like, you can use this. And these are called necklace beads, necklace see, these things you can also use instead of beads. At the end of the necklace, you can use like this. See, I'm wearing one like that. Can you view this? Yeah. And some jhumkas, you get like these ready-made jhumkas also. You can also use these jhumkas even as a pendant, or you can use this as studs. Along with the studs, you can use this. And you get ready-made pendants also like this. So as this will help for the beginners to learn some simple jewelries. And these are bangle frames. You get these bangle frames in different sizes. According to your size, you can buy these bangle frames and you can string the beads also. It is very, very simple to learn. And these are called, see, necklace. You can use these also ropes, necklace ropes. These are called necklace ropes. See, I'm wearing such one such rope like this. And some beads I will show you. You get these beads in market, these kinds of beads in market. These are strings of beads, loose beads also you get. And see, can you see this? Yeah. So painted some metallic beads. And some crystals I have here. Some shining, some crystals. So I'll show you some beaded, simple beaded jewelries. So this is the one which the beginners will find it very easy to start with. And for drops, you can make these simple drops for simple jewelries. You can make these simple drops. And this is a jewelry done with sugar beads. These beads are very tiny, very small beads. And you call these as sugar beads. So I have done one jewelry using these sugar beads. And it's very, very simple to make. And this is a jewelry done with pearl strings. Can you see this? Some more I'll show you. This is a jewelry done with more number of connectors. You call these as connectors. In between these two jewelries, you use these connectors. You can use as per your wish, golden connectors or silver finish connectors. You get it in market, so many shades, so many sizes. So according to your wish, you can make these jewelries. And this is, see, this is a very simple one, but it's very captivating, right? See, this one is in green. This is a cluster of all pearls. So this jewelry is done with agate beads. And this is a pearl jewelry done with stone studded pearls. And in this jewelry, I have used a jhumka as a pendant. You can convert a jhumka as a pendant also. No, not only jhumkas, you can wear it for ear stats. You can use it as per your convenience. I have used it here as a pendant. Can you see this? It looks very good on sarees and any attire you can use it.
Very pretty and very innovative.
Yeah. And this one is a little bit grand, but very easy to make, but a little grand jewelry. You get like pendants like these, ready-made pendants, and bend tubes. You get this ready-made in market, and you can buy this and just simply you can string all these things to make a simple jewelry. This will go with any kind of sari, pattu sari or a normal hair sari. It looks very grand on any sari. Nicely. Yeah? See, one more I have used is a stone pendant. With a simple one, you can use this for any kind of sari. So these are all beaded jewelry. And so I'll show you here one bangle made with pearls. So you get this bangle frame in shops. You can buy according to your bangle size. You can buy this and make a bangle like this using the either pearls or any bead, whichever you like. You can make a bangle like this. It is very, very simple. The method is very simple to learn. And next, coming to this I'll show you. This is some German silver jewelries I have made. So this is in vogue now. This is in trend now, right? These are called German silver jewelries. Is it okay?
Default microphone as charging. Microphone added.
Is it okay, Mala?
Yes, yes. Please continue. There was a slight disturbance.
Yeah.
Please continue.
So these are called the German silver jewelries. Some jewelries which I have made, I am showing you. These are all very trendy. So it goes with any attire. Very attractive and very captivating. See, this I have done with an elephant pendant. you see? Are you able to view this?
Very beautiful this is.
So you have the same tiny elephant studs also, padding studs for this. And one more jewelry. This I have done with gungrus, silver gungrus and golden gungrus. So gungrus are not only meant for foot, it can also embrace your neck. Coming to silk thread jewelry. I'll show you some silk thread jewelry. Materials. So, in silk thread jewelry materials, you get silk threads like
அந்த ஜேசிக்கு அட்டெண்ட் பண்ணேன். ஜேசி இவங்கெல்லாம்
Viewers, kindly mute the audio on your device, please. Thank you.
and some jewelries which I have made using silk thread. I'll show you all these things. It is very, very simple to make, and you get molds like this for making jhumkas and other silk thread items. You get these molds. These are all jhumka molds. Can you see? These are all jhumka molds, and you can use the thread to wrap around it, and you can make jhumka. Whatever color you can choose according to your wish. Sari, you can match with your sari, and you can make jhumkas. These are all jhumka molds. You get it in different shapes also like this.
ஒண்ணுமே இல்ல, திங்ஸ் எல்லாம் கட்டுறா, மெட்டீரியல்ஸ் நம்மள ஒண்ணும் முடியாது.
Viewers are kindly requested to mute the audio on your device. Thank you.
And some jewelries which I made using silk thread jewelry, I'll show you. Can you see all this? Yeah, the stud I'll show you. You get molds like this to make these kind of pendants. You get the mold, the same mold for making this silk jewelry, and you have to wrap around the mold. Then you get this finish. So this is the stud for it.
அதுக்கு பார்த்தா மேபி.
And one more in this color. You can match this with any blue saree or any base.
ஜூம்ல லேப்டாப்ல வரும்ல, லேப்டாப்ல.
Viewers, please mute the audio on your device.
எல்லாரும் மியூட் பண்றதே இல்ல ஆடியோவை. So much of this சொல்லிண்டே இருக்கா பாவம். Half the time.
Can you see?
She's going on showing, but when she shows one, let her show how to make it. கொஞ்சம் என்னாவது குடிக்க வைக்கிறோம்.
Ma'am, could you please mute the audio on your device?
Hello? Yes.
மெசேஜ் பண்ணி கொள்ளுங்க. நம்மளோட மியூட்டா தானே இருக்கு.
Ma'am, your audio is not mute.
Yeah, this is a bangle made out of silk thread. A simple bangle made out of silk thread. You see silk thread. And this is a silk thread bangle. So I am wearing some bangles also. Using silk thread, I have done this. A little bit grand one. First, I'll show you the items which I have made, and later on, I'll show you how to make the jewelry, so that it will be easy for you to understand better. And, so these are all silk thread jewelries. What I have shown now is all silk thread jewelries. And coming to fabric jewelry. Fabric jewelry is nothing but you make your jewelries using fabric, that is cloth. Any cloth you have, you cut a piece of cardboard or any strong atta madri cut pannindu, and then you can paste fabric on it, and then you can paint it like that to get this finish. Right? Got it? See, the stud for this is this. I use some Surf Excel box to make this.
Wow.
And then this one. It is very, very simple. Actually, you cut the Surf Excel box cover with your whatever size you want. You can cut it and paste the fabric on it, and then you can make it like this. It's very, very simple, very innovative. You can use your own creative ideas to make these jewelries. It's not about spending huge amounts on jewelries and all. Just your own creative ideas. You can make these kind of jewelry. So very attractive jewelry. See, Micham Meedi is in the cloth waste pannama. You need not waste it. You need not throw away that. So you can make it like this now. Any color, any cloth, some nice cloth is there. You just don't throw away. You can make these. See, on a simple cloth, fabric cloth, I painted this. Can you see?
This is very beautiful.
Anapakshi. Okay. For this, then this is also a fabric jewelry painted on it. Peacock feather. If you have creative ideas, you can make wonders. And one more I have. See? We can never imagine a pendant like this. A camel on a desert. The studs for this, a small miniature camel studs.
This speaks volumes about your creativity, Radhika ma'am.
Can't hear her?
I said it is so, you're so creative, I said.
Okay, okay. Thank you.
The camel pendant was really beautiful.
Yes, yes, yes. And so yeah, I told you. So this is very simple. You got it now. Just I cut a Surf Excel box cover and cut it round and paste a cloth on it. And after it get dried, I drew this. I painted on it. Just very simple. And you can add some beads to it, suitable beads to it, and you can make it a jewelry. It's very simple now. Just you can use your own creative ideas. That's it, nothing else. These are all very trendy jewelry, not very traditional It's very, very trendy. So youngsters they like it very much. And And one more jewelry I wanted to show you is, this is a rakpudi. I don't know how you call it. This is a rakpudi. So we use it to for functions, big functions. We used to keep it on head. Rakpudi. I made it as a jewelry. I used it for a necklace. So can you see this?
Yes, another very pretty piece and very traditional looking it is.
Yeah.
A very
grand also.
Rakodi has been put to a very different and innovative use.
Ah.
I'm sure all of us have this Rakodi at home. All
Yeah,
of
you
us
can
must
take
be
it as a
having.
jewelry because you don't use it much for function. You don't keep it on the head much. எப்போ அதை யூஸ் பண்ணிட்டே இருக்க மாட்டோம் நம்ம. Only for some ஏதோ particular occasion தான் we'll use rakodi. Yeah. So you can use it like that. And one more thing I wanted to show you is, yeah, I have some seashells with me. So I made it as a, see, how is it? This trendy, a very simple jewelry.
Very elegant.
Yeah. Then coming to clay jewelry. Everybody must be knowing that terracotta jewelry is very popular. Like that, you have polymer clay jewelry also. So I don't use terracotta jewelry as the method of baking. I feel it is very difficult. It is a cumbersome procedure. So I switched over my clay jewelry to polymer clay jewelry. I find it very easy to do this as the method is very simple here. So for polymer clay jewelry, what you need is you need some clays. You get these colored clays also. See, white and green. This, in all colors, almost all the colors you get these clays. Even if you don't get colored clays, you can buy these white clays, and on that you can paint it. So these Kalpi brand polymer clay, it is very popular, and it is the best clay as far as I know. This is the best clay to use for jewelry purposes. Sculpting. These days you get everything, all the jewelry materials, these clays, everything online you get, and you can browse for these jewelry materials. And for beginners who are interested in doing this clay jewelries, you get molds like this. This is a Ganapati mold, and this is a Goddess Lakshmi mold. So it is very easy. Just you can take a small quantity of clay and can fill over this mold. And if you take it, you can just then bake it, and then it gets dried. After that, you can paint on it. Or if you have a colored clay, you need not even paint. And then you can tie a string. So these are all the molds available in the market. And as you know, this is a terracotta clay. So the terracotta clay baking is a little bit cumbersome procedure. No, you have to bake it using some charcoal, and it's a little bit difficult. So generally, I use, this is an OTG oven. You all will be aware of this OTG oven. So I am using this oven for baking the polymer clay. So depending upon the size of the clay and the size of the pendant or earset, whatever you are going to make, whether it is small or big, so the baking time differs. So if you want to make a simple stud, very small stud, the baking time takes just 2 to 3 minutes. If you want to make a bigger dollar or a bigger pendant, it takes more time, some 5 to 6 minutes. That you have to trial and error only you will come to know that. So there is no standard time of baking or that. Then actually when the polymer clay is very interesting. No, this OTG oven is very helpful in baking these clays, and so once you bake it, then nothing. We have to string everything. That is all. So I'll show you some more materials needed for this polymer clay jewelry. I'll show you this. These are some of the tools used in polymer clays. I'll show you one by one. These are all cutters. This one is used to make impressions. And this is also used to make some impressions. Can you see?
Yes.
This is used for making some sharp edges and sharp impressions. You can use tool like this. And for drawing. These are also some of the polymer clay tools. This is used to smoothen the surface of the clay, whichever you're using for stud or pendant. Can you see? This one is another. This is used for some impressions at the edge of the clay pendant. And these things you get in metals also. Here I'm using plastic. These things you can online browse for online shopping. You get everything in online. Okay. And regarding the jewelry tools and accessories, you get wires, like plain wires like this. So generally I use these plain wires instead of metallic wires. You also get metallic wires, but I don't prefer or I don't suggest these metallic wires as they often break. So this is better to use plain wires. And this is the cutter used for jewelry making. This you get in all the shops, jewelry making shops. You can get this. This is a cutter, and this is the plier. And these are all some small tools used in polymer clay. So to get a diamond shape, you can use this. You can cut it on the polymer clay. You to press it, you can get this diamond shape. And this is a tilakam shape. See, there are so many shapes. You have so many tools like the small tools which are used in polymer clay. I'll show you some of the jewelries I've done using polymer clay.
இது ஏதோ பண்றோம்னு சொல்லிட்டு லிஃப்ட் நிறுத்தி விட்டாங்க, இப்பதான் ஆன் பண்றாங்க. லிஃப்ட் ஒர்க் பண்ணல, இப்பதான் ஆன் பண்றாங்க நினைக்கிறேன். 2 மணி நேரம்.
Please mute the audio on your device.
So I'll show you some interesting polymer clay jewelries. This pendant is completely made of polymer clay.
7:30 தான் போறேன். அந்த பொண்ணு கோயில் போயிட்டு வந்துடுறேன். உள்ள வச்சுட்டு.
So can you see this?
Yes, we can, Radhika ma'am. It's really very pretty.
Yeah. These are the studs.
நான் போலதான் அந்த பொண்ணு கோயிலுக்கு போயிட்டு வரேன்னுச்சு. நான் கொஞ்சம் லேட்டா வரேன்னோனே அப்புறம் 7:30க்கு வரேன்.
And this is the jewelry using polymer clay, colored clay. I didn't paint anything on it. This is a colored clay. It's a natural green and orange color without painting on it, without using any paint. It is natural polymer clay pendant. See the studs for this. Can you see?
It is so well color coordinated.
See, next comes this peacock jewelry. It is actually very, very easy. Once you know the method how to make it, then it becomes very simple. And if you develop interest now, it's really fascinating to do these jewelries. Actually,
Very eye-catching.
Yeah,
And
can
very
you see this?
unique. Very unique.
Yeah, can you see this?
Yes, we can.
Yeah,
Very
it,
clearly.
it looks as if it is very difficult to do, but it is very, very simple actually. Once you start doing this now, it's very simple. You develop your own interest and you can put your collective ideas and create these kind of jewelries actually. And then see, this is the rose. This is also made out of polymer clay. Can you see? So I had some stone studded beads to it to enhance its beauty. So that it looks very grand. When you wear it for any silk sarees, it looks very grand actually. You have studs also for this. And then next comes this Venkateshwara jewelry. This is
So
my
divine it looks.
Yeah, this is my favorite one, very close to my heart. My lucky one too. Lucky charm. With the studs for this.
Wow.
And this one, it is a very unique jewelry. Actually, see this? This is purely I've done using my own creativity. And see behind this peacock, can you see? This is a mirror. I fixed a mirror. I attached a mirror to the polymer clay. I pasted a mirror. I cut the mirror and then pasted it on that clay, and I hung a peacock here. Can you see this? These are the studs for that. And one more. And here comes the Jula Ganesha. This is my signature jewelry. Can you see this? I think I have done this piece almost 13, 14 pieces. My friends, I have done this for my friends. Can you see?
It's absolutely stunning. Brilliant it is. It's a brilliant piece.
Yeah, without using any mold. So you can just imagination now. So you can keep a photo, or you can keep any images of Ganapati, and you can start using the polymer clay freehand, what to say, sculpting. Yeah, you can sculpt like this, no? The very first time you will varad, that is, it is for a little bit of imagination and little bit of patience you need. Once you are done with this, then you will what to say, you will start your own creative ideas to make these kind of jewelries now. So you will feel really happy when you make your jewelries on your own. And see, studs. I've done this. And this is the African tribal jewelry, polymer clay jewelry. So I have painted on this, the African tribe, on lady. The simple jewelry. So studs also you same. Yeah.
It is simple, but it is very striking.
Yeah.
It really stands out.
These jewelry and this jewelry, I've done this using a swirl technique. There is a technique called swirl technique in polymer clay. I learned that, and using that technique, I did this. Very colorful, na? Yeah, yes, same swirl technique. This is a Navaratna jewelry. This is a Navaratna jewelry. See, all colors you can see here. And here comes the signature jewelry. This is a Veena pendant jewelry.
Wow.
Can you see?
Really beautiful.
Yeah. Studs also a miniature Veena. I'll show you close. Can you see now?
I've never seen these kind of jewelry anywhere.
These are all just imaginative, just all. With your own ideas, you can, using your imagination, you can create so many things like this. That is all.
Hats off to your
You want me to
imagination.
do, you want me to do how to make a jewelry? I can do one simple beaded jewelry. Is there time? You have time now?
You can, yes, Radhika ma'am, you can show one simple beaded
Simple
jewelry.
jewelry, because no, just if I show them how to make jewelry, then they can understand better. Yeah. So this is, I'm taking this wire, a plain wire. So I'm going to use this pendant. To start with a simple jewelry, let me take this pendant. I'm going to use this pendant. So both the sides we have to string some beads. Either in which, whatever color you like, you can use, but I'm going to use here red color. Okay. So இப்போ வந்து you get see the jewelry materials, like you get like gear stoppers. You can see these are all very tiny, very small mustard like stoppers. You call this as gear locks. So these are used to use at the end of the strings so that the beads will not come out. You can't remove the beads after you use this gear lock. So I'll show you how to use this. So okay. இப்போ 4 bead கொடுத்திருக்கேன். Next one.
You have taken a nylon. It's a wire made of which material?
Yeah, nylon material.
Nylon. And you've chosen a pendant, and you're now
I've chosen a
yeah, you're
pendant.
now taking the beads.
Yeah. So I have chosen red beads to make this. Okay. Just any color. So one okay. Just a minute, I'll bring my sticks. So again 4 red beads. Again one connector. Can you see? Yeah. So in between 2 beads or 4 beads, you can, as per your wish, you can use how many connectors you want, you can use it. Just to show how to make, I'm showing this. Okay. See, one side is over, and here I'm going to use this gear lock. I showed you, this gear lock. This is a very tiny metal piece. So these are used at the end of the strings. I'm using this plier. I'm going to press it so that these beads doesn't come out. Yeah, can you see? Yeah.
Very pretty.
Then Again, this side 4 beads and 1 connector. Again, 4 beads and 1 connector.
You're making it look so simple, and your fingers are just, doing magic with the beads there, and it's really beautiful. I know it's not done up. I mean, it's not completed, but even then, the beauty of the necklace is coming out so well.
Yeah. Now, just to show how to make a jewelry, and just
hooks.
okay. Okay, it's done now. This side. One more. Okay, I'll show you just புரிஞ்சிக்கிறதுக்காக I'm doing this. இப்போ இந்த end இருக்கு இல்லையா? இப்போ இந்த endல வந்து again this the gear lock அத வந்து போட்டுட்டு gear lock போட்டிருக்கேன். So இந்த endல ஒரு gear lock and இந்த endல ஒரு gear lock போட்டிருக்கேன். So that yeah. இப்போ என்ன ஆகும், இது இப்போ வந்து நம்ம இந்த gear lock போட்டு நல்லா press பண்ணிட்டோம்னா it won't come out. So that is the purpose of using gear lock. See, இப்போ ரெண்டு பக்கமும் just இந்த பக்கம் நான் bead ஃபுல்லா போகல, but still I am showing how to do the jewelry ங்கிறதுக்காக just to show you, just to understand. See, இந்த பக்கம் வராது, and this side also it won't come. புரியுதா? Can you understand? And then end hooks இருக்கும், like this you get.
It's very nice of you, ma'am, to show us a live demonstration.
Yeah. You get these end hooks in you call this as end hooks. So these hooks are used for connecting these. Yeah. Yes. Either in the end you have to tie it. So tightly you have to tie it. See? So I'll show you. See, I have inserted this end hook. And then tie it tightly.
We are getting a very clear picture.
Can you see?
You have explained so well.
Yeah. See, you have to tie a knot. And then you have one gear stopper is there, no? You have to insert it into that gear stopper. Before pressing that gear stopper, you have to insert it again, this wire, and then you can press that gear stopper so that the wire cut பண்ணா கூட அது வெளியே நீட்டிட்டு அசிங்கமா தெரிய கூடாது. அதனால again you insert it to the beads. உள்ள திருப்பி இந்த மாதிரி பண்ணிட்டோம்னா, can you see நான் என்ன பண்றேன்னு தெரியுதா?
Yes, we can see very well. We are able to understand also.
Yes, that is what. அது புரியுதா?
Thanks to your practical demo, we are really able to understand.
Yeah. இந்த சைடு அதே மாதிரி
course, we need a lot of practice, but
Yes,
we
yes,
are
definitely.
able to understand.
Yeah. இப்போ வந்து இந்த பக்கம் ஹூக் இருக்கு. See, this side hook வச்சிருக்கேன். On the other side வந்து இந்த மாதிரி பிளெயினா இருக்கும். Where is it? இந்த மாதிரி plain hooks without plain rings. These are all plain rings. அந்த plain rings வந்து இந்த பக்கம் அந்த other side வந்து இதே மாதிரி you have to tie it very tight, gap இல்லாம you have to பண்ணிட்டு join பண்ணிட்டு then again you insert it into the அந்த திருப்பி அந்த பீட்ஸ் குள்ளேயே அது ஒரு 2-3 பீட்ஸ்க்குள்ள போட்டுட்டு and then you cut it. நான் சொல்றது புரியும்னு நினைக்கிறேன் உங்களுக்கு. அப்படியே அப்ரப்டா இங்க அப்படியே கட் பண்ணீங்கன்னா அந்த வயர் அது பார்க்கிறதுக்கு வந்து it doesn't give a nice look. அதனால வந்து you insert it again the knot போட்டதுக்கு அப்புறம் even though you use gear lock நாலும் அது அந்த மாதிரி பண்ணிட்டீங்கன்னா it gives doesn't give a clumsy look. And அப்புறம் நீங்க இத கட் பண்ணிக்கலாம். இந்த வயரை கட் பண்ணிட்டு see now it's done. இங்க இந்த இடத்துல see நான் வந்து ஜஸ்ட் காட்டுறதுக்காக இது பண்ணிருக்கேன். in between இந்த இடத்துல கூட இதே ஆரஞ்சு இந்த ரெட் பீட்ஸ் சின்ன சின்ன பீட்ஸ் கோத்தீங்கன்னா the wire will not be seen obviously. தெரியுதா?
Radhika ma'am, this is really beautiful. And I can't believe that you have made a neck piece live for the viewers today. So hats off to you.
If time permits, na ellame panni kaatlam, but since the time is very short ங்கிறதுனால I can't ellame நம்ம ஒரே நாள்ல பண்ண முடியாது இல்லையா? ஒரு செப்பரேட் டேல நம்ம தனியா ஒரு ஜுவல்லரி எப்படி பண்றதுன்னு ஒரு டெமோவே காட்டலாம். சோ அதான் இங்க வந்து சின்ன பீட்ஸ் ஆரஞ்சு பீட்ஸ் வச்சு இந்த வயர் அந்த ஆப்வியஸா அது தெரியாது. So அதெல்லாம் சின்ன சின்ன அட்ஜஸ்ட்மென்ட்ஸ் நம்ம பண்றதுதான். So this is done now. So இப்போ இந்த ரெண்டு எண்டையும் இப்படி சேர்த்தா so one necklace is ready. See இந்த பக்கம் கொஞ்சம் கம்மியா இருக்கு, but still I'm showing you how to do this. அதுதான்
very pretty piece done live for the viewers. Can we ask the viewers can they ask questions?
Yeah. Can I speak now? Is that allowed now?
Yes, you can.
Yeah. This was very nice. Radhika ma'am had done a very beautiful job, and 1 hour you've been standing throughout. That's really, it shows your passion. Applause to you. And I have few questions. This bangle thing which you showed, I usually come across these bangles which pulls my sari. The pallu jari ella ilkum and the mari, like, is there any way to protect the bangle so that like a proof kind of which doesn't allow the sari silk or the materials to be like generally I see this bangle has got that problem very often I come across. So is there any way to help that?
Yeah, you're talking about the bangles, and the bangles நீங்க சொல்றது வந்து இப்போ beaded bangles என்ன மாதிரி bangles stone studded bangles நீங்க சொல்ற the problem கண்டிப்பா வரும். I know that ஏன்னா எனக்கும் அந்த problem இருந்திருக்கு. The stone studded banglesனா அது வந்து மாட்டி மாட்டி இழுக்கும். சோ இந்த மாதிரி beaded நீங்க எதை மீன் பண்றீங்கன்னு எனக்கு புரியல. இந்த மாதிரி போக்கற banglesல வந்து அடியில sometimes வந்து அந்த ஒரு இது மாதிரி இருக்கும், vacuum மாதிரி இருக்கும், empty space.
Okay.
அத வந்து நீங்க என்ன பண்ணலாம், once you finish doing that bangle string பண்ணி முடிச்ச உடனே once it is done, நீங்க அத வந்து அடியில வந்து அதே அந்த அதுக்கு ஈக்குவலன்ட் சைஸ்க்கு உங்களுக்கு அந்த மேட்ச் ஆற மாதிரி ஒரு ஃபில் பண்றதுக்கு ஒரு இது பிளாஸ்டிக்ல கிடைக்கிறது உங்களுக்கு ஜுவல்லரி ஷாப்ஸ்லயே இருக்கு.
அச்சா ஓகே.
எனக்கு தெரிஞ்ச வரைக்கும் அந்த அந்த ஒரு ஓபனிங் மாதிரி இருக்கும். அந்த I will show you hollow space அந்த ஜுவல்லரி அந்த நீங்க எதை மீன் பண்றீங்கன்னு எனக்கு தெரியல. இந்த 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 போர்ஷன் உள் போர்ஷனை மீன் பண்றீங்களா இல்ல எதை மீன் பண்றீங்க?
இல்ல மேல் போர்ஷன்ல ஒர்க்குனால இட் புல்ஸ் த சாரி மெனி டைம்ஸ் என்னோட எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ் இது. நடுவுல இருக்க ஒர்க்னால இந்த பீட்ஸ்க்கு நடுவுல இருக்க ரஃப் ஏரியாஸ் they pull the saree. These rough things which are put on the upper part of the bangle, it tries to pull the silk and silk material. Yeah.
அது வந்து நம்ம அது கேர்ஃபுல்லா தான் வெக்கணும். ஏன்னா அது ப்ரொடெக்ட் பண்றதுக்கு அந்த மாதிரி இருக்கிற மாதிரி எல்லாம் எனக்கு தெரியல. பட் சில சாரீஸ்ல நீங்க சொல்ற மாதிரி வந்து bangles and the மாதிரி பிடிச்சி I know.
Okay, thanks, thank you. And one more thing, this terracotta thing and all which you showed, this for the ear pendant which you showed us, see I have got a very delicate ear thing. It comes ரொம்ப இழுத்து காதுல already ஓட்ட ரொம்ப ஜாஸ்தியா இருக்கு. Is there any way to lock that and keep that the frames which you showed earல காமிச்ச frame எல்லாம் quite a long quite a broad ones, அதனா ஸ்டெடியா அங்க உட்கார்றதுக்கு அதுக்கு ஏதாவது பாசிபிள் ஒரு இயர் லாக் அது மாதிரி ஏதாவது கிடைக்கிறதா, லைக் which you can keep it steadily on the இது? ஏன்னா கொஞ்சம் டெலிகேட்டா இருக்கிறவளுக்கு இந்த காது இது கொஞ்சம் இழுத்துண்டு வந்துடுறது இல்லையா, அதனால கேட்கறேன் நான்.
எஸ், அது இப்ப நிறைய உங்களுக்கு ஆன்லைன்லயே வந்து இந்த காதுக்கு போடுறதுக்கு அந்த இதுன்னே வந்து தொங்காம இருக்கிறதுக்குலாம் நிறைய ஆட்ஸும் வருது. அந்த மாதிரி ஒரு சில ப்ராடக்ட்ஸ் கிடைக்கிறது. யூ கேன் ப்ரௌஸ் தட், அது ஆன்லைன்ல கிடைக்குது. நான் என்ன பண்ணுவேன்னா ஜென்ரலா வந்து இப்போ இந்த ஹெவி மட்டும் கிடையாது. இப்போ சில நீங்க சொல்ற மாதிரி இந்த காது ஹோல் சில பேருக்கு பெருசா இருக்கும் இல்லையா, ஹோல் பெருசா இருந்தா என்ன பண்ணணும்னா உங்களுக்கு அந்த சர்ஜிக்கல் டேப் கிடைக்கும். இதுல மெடிக்கல் ஷாப்ஸ்ல நீங்க சர்ஜிக்கல் டேப்னு கேட்டீங்கன்னா அது வந்து ஒரு பேப்பர் மாதிரி இருக்கும், நாட் பிளாஸ்டிக் கிடையாது. அது பேப்பர் மாதிரி தான் இருக்கும். பின்னால வந்து உங்களுக்கு கொஞ்சம் ஸ்டிக்கியா இருக்கும். அது வந்து அடசிவோட இருக்கும். அது வந்து சின்னதா நீங்க கட் பண்ணிட்டு அந்த காது பின்னால நல்லா பிரஸ் பண்ணிட்டீங்கன்னா அப்படியே ஒட்டிக்கும். சோ தட் நீங்க வந்து இந்த பெரிய ஸ்டட் அந்த உங்களோட ஹோல் வந்து அந்த சின்னது பண்றதுக்கு இது ஹெல்ப்ஸ் எல்லாம். உங்களுக்கு பெரிய ஹோலா இருந்ததுன்னா அது கீழே தொங்கி அப்படியே தெரியும் இந்த ஹோல் பெருசா. வேற நீங்க இந்த சர்ஜிக்கல் டேப் நல்லா பிரஸ் பண்ணிட்டீங்கன்னா அந்த ஸ்டட்டோட ஹோல் வந்து கரெக்டா அந்த ஸ்டட்டுக்கு என்ன ஹோல் தேவைப்படுறோ அதை ஜஸ்ட் நம்ம பீஸ் பண்ணிட்டு கரெக்டா ஃபிட் ஆகும். நான் அதை நிறைய யூஸ் பண்ணுவேன்.
Thanks a lot. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Yeah.
Outstanding presentation, Radhika. I'm so glad I met you, and so amazing. I just don't have words to explain how much of your talent you have, and then how you have developed it with so much interest. And kutti point pointed out to us, which is definitely easy for you, but I'm sure it's going to be very hard for us. But it's the interest, the talent, the originality. Really great.
Thank you so much.
Thanks.
Hello.
For giving us this presentation.
Hello.
Yes, you can ask.
I'm Chitra from Nerul. I've been doing this jewelry. I started with this jewelry making for past 6 months, but I would like to know, where do you get the material in Mumbai?
Yeah, I don't know about Mumbai, but I am staying in Tamil Nadu. So generally I get these materials from nearby shops. In Chennai, I know some shops selling these jewelry materials. Chennai தெரியுமா உங்களுக்கு? எனக்கு என்ன, I'm not familiar with Mumbai.
Yes, ma'am.
Radhika ma'am, you were saying there are some online
Yeah, there are some
online
shops, familiar, popular shops. At the Navra Beach, you can try. They are selling some good, really good jewelry materials. Yeah, you can try the Navra Beach online shop, jewelry materials shop. You can browse online. Actually, you get so many. If you browse for jewelry materials online, you get so many shops. Actually, I can see it. You can browse. You buy browse pani paarenga.
Okay. For this polymer jewelry mold, that was very pretty.
Yeah.
A new thing to learn, like a new thing to learn.
You want to learn, okay.
Yeah, very pretty.
Thank you.
Any more questions? You are wearing a stunning piece of jewelry, your neck piece.
Yeah, very, very pretty.
Spectacular.
One more last question. Sorry to interrupt. The thing on the nylon wire la, the nadu portion la beads சேர்த்துக்கலாம். Is there any possibility அந்த portion of golden color மாதிரி paint பண்ண nylon on the middle you add one bead. Instead of that, can we paint that portion? Is it possible? Would you hear me?
Follow. It's not audible clearly. Can you repeat?
Okay.
Your voice was breaking, ma'am. We couldn't hear clearly.
What I asked was like the main you gave a main instead of that, can we paint it? Okay, madam. It's okay. It's okay. Fine. Thank you.
Yeah, voice break. I'm not able to hear clearly. Mala, can you ask her?
It was, I think, even I couldn't get the whole conversation, but I think she was asking about painting. I think that's what.
Yes, Mala. I was asking about the painting on the nylon wire. Painting on the nylon wire, is it possible or not? That was my question. Any golden color painting can put on the nylon.
Join and
Painting on nylon wire.
நான் வீட்ல தான் வச்சிருக்கேன். எனக்கு வேற என்ன தெரிஞ்சிருக்கும்ல.
இல்ல painting on nylon wire for what purpose? I just want to know that because silk thread jewelry பண்றதுக்கா என்ன மாதிரி jewelry பண்றதுக்குன்னு கேக்குறேன். தெரிஞ்சாதான் சொல்ல முடியும். நீங்க
the nylon wire gets covered with the beads, no? So it's not necessary to paint on it, I think.
It won't be visible.
It won't be visible, Ilya. Anyway, the wire you are using for the jewelry, it will not at any point of time, it will not be visible at all. So there is no point in painting the wire. Anyway, you are going to use colored beads, Ilya. So no point in painting the wire. அதுதான் கேக்குறீங்க. I guess நீங்க அதுதான் கேக்குறீங்கன்னு நினைக்கிறேன் இல்லையா?
Beads will cover the portions.
Any more questions from the viewers? How long do these handcrafted jewelry last?
The handcrafted jewelry.
These jewelry which you were showing, how long do they last? How many years?
Yeah, that depends on how we protect it and how we keep it safe. நம்ம எவ்வளவு சேஃபா வெச்சுக்கிறோம். See, these jewelries நான் அதுவும் சொல்றேன் because இந்த மாதிரி jewelries எல்லாம் இந்த மாதிரி நான் எப்போ நிறைய பண்ணிருக்கேன். இப்ப ரீசெண்டாவும் பண்ணிருக்கேன். நான் இதெல்லாம் இந்த ஜுவல்லரிஸ் எல்லாம் வந்து நான் செப்பரேட்டா ஒரு பாக்ஸ் மாதிரி வச்சிருக்கேன். ஒரு பிளாஸ்டிக் பாக்ஸ்ல அதுல வந்து இந்த அந்த பேக் பண்ற மெட்டீரியல் இருக்கு இல்லையா? நாட் தெர்மோகோல். அது
bubble wrap.
பேக் பண்ற மெட்டீரியல் உங்களுக்கு கிடைக்கும். லைக் பிளாஸ்டிக் ஷீட்ஸ் வித் பபிள் wrap கிடைக்கும்.
Bubble wraps
தான் it is very very அந்த ரொம்ப ப்ரொடெக்டிவா இருக்கும். அதுக்கு ஒண்ணு கலர் வச்சு நான் இது எப்பவும் பண்ணது ஆக்சுவலா. பட் மோர் தேன் இது வந்து ஒரு 2.5 years பக்கம் இருக்கும். அது பண்ணி 3 years கூட இருக்கும்னு சொல்லலாம். அத வந்து அந்த பபிள் ராப்ப வச்சு நல்லா சுத்திட்டு ஒரு கலரும் போகாது. எப்பவும் பண்ணது இது பெயிண்ட் பண்ணதான். சோ யூ டோன்ட் கெட் கோல்டன் கலர் பாலிமர் கிளே எல்லாம் இருக்கிற மாதிரி தெரியல. அதர் கலர்ஸ் எல்லாம் கிடைக்கும். திஸ் இஸ் a painted one on a white color polymer clay. I have painted this. So அப்ப பெயிண்ட் பண்ணதான். பெயிண்ட் ஒண்ணுமே போகவும் இல்ல. and bubble wrapல நல்லா சுத்திட்டு ஒரு ரப்பர் பேண்ட் போட்டுட்டு மேல வந்து திருப்பி கீழே ஒரு பபிள் ராப் மேல ஒரு பபிள் ராப் வெச்சிட்டு நல்லா டைட்டா க்ளோஸ் பண்ணி உங்களுக்கு வேணுமோ அப்பதான் நீங்க ஓபன் பண்ணி எடுக்கணும். டோன்ட் கீப் இட் ஓபன். அந்த மாதிரி வெச்சீங்கன்னா உங்களுக்கு வந்து சீக்கிரம் வந்து it lose its life. இதெல்லாம் ப்ரொடெக்ட் பண்ணுங்க.
All these in the handcrafted jewelry, it lasts for a very long time. And if we are more careful, it really lasts for many years.
நம்ம வெச்சுக்கிறதுல தான் அது வந்து இதெல்லாம் வந்து ரொம்ப என்ன பொறுத்த வரைக்கும் இது நல்லது. நம்ம எவ்வளவு பத்திரமா சேஃபா வச்சுக்கிறோங்கிறது தான் ரொம்ப ரொம்ப முக்கியம்.
Radhika ma'am, if there are no more questions, can we wind up the session now?
Sure.
I would like to request the chairperson of the community wing, Mrs. Rama Rajgopalan, to say a few words.
Radhika, it was lovely. The first time I met you was at that kolam competition. I'm so happy I met you because I've seen another side of your multifarious talents. This was too good. So original, so beautiful, so amazing. Nothing that we see in the shops. And you make it appear as if it's very easy to make, but I'm sure it's going to be very hard when we try. We'll definitely get back to you again. Thanks for giving us this presentation.
Thank you. Thanks a lot, ma'am. Thanks for this opportunity. And really, it's really a pleasure sharing my experiences and my passion for jewelry and an opportunity to display and show all my done jewelries. Thanks a lot, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Radhika, for conducting this session. Your presentation was very informative, interesting, and very easy to understand. We hope to create our own piece of jewelry to add that little extra special to our wardrobe and personality. Fine Arts Society thanks all the viewers for being a part of this session and for your support and cooperation. Fine Arts Society is now on Facebook. Please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, The Fine Arts Society Chembur. Thank you. Have a lovely evening and take care.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much.